importante yung mga ganitong palabas.
Drag is passion. Drag is self-expression. Drag is so many things, but not a crime.
Para ikwento yung sitwasyon ng community.
Torres, Laude, Riley, sila ay hindi lamang mga datos. Totoong tao sila.
Mahalaga na dapat yung nagkukwento ay tayo mismo. Tayo na yung bida sa sarili nating palabas. Tayo na yung may hawak ng camera. Tayo na yung nagsasabi kung anong mundo yung gusto nating galawan. Tayo mismo yung nagdo-drawing ng fantasies natin. Pag ginagawa na natin yung fantasies natin, for example, through the show, we were able to live our fantasies. Nakikita mo na siya, na ideals na siya, kasi nakikita mo na yung possibility that it could happen. Because I think that's what kept our community from having zero to no visibility during 20 years ago or 50 years ago. Because we don't have that power yet. But right now we do. And we're very grateful for Prime Video, from Project It and Cornerstone, that we were able to turn this fantasy to a reality. And I can also imagine what if, when I was young, na-expose ako sa ganitong material, I could have been a different person. And dahil yun yung circumstances namin back then, we were able to do this show today.